How to change title and tagline in WordPress. Log into your WordPress account and you will see this page. On the left side above Plugins, hover on Appearance. Click on the Customize option. Click on the Site Identity. Change the title name in the site title field. For example, Engage Branding Test. Change the tagline in the tagline field. For example, Digital Agency Web Design and Development. Click on the Publish button. That's it, you have successfully changed a title and tagline in WordPress. Thank you for watching. Please contact us if you need any further support.